Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and Akosem Manipur. Unit 3 Calculus. Topic Integral. Subtopic Only simple integrals of the type integral of dx by x square plus minus a square. Integral of dx by root over x square plus minus a square. Integral of dx by root over a square minus x square. Integral of dx by a square minus x square. Integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. Integral of dx by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Integral of px plus d by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Integral of px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. Exercise 7.4. Ahanba 1. Prove that integral of dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by twice a log of modulus of x minus a divided by x plus a plus constant of integration. We have to prove it. The integral can be written as a x square minus a square can be factorized as x minus a into x plus a. Put express the numerator as x plus a minus x minus a, and for balancing we have to multiply by twice a then dx. Dividing x plus a by product of denominator, we get 1 by x minus a minus, and dividing x minus a by product of denominator, we get 1 by x plus a, whose integrand of 1 by x minus a is log of modulus of x minus a minus integrand of this integrand is log of modulus of x plus a, and which can be written as applying properties on logarithm. We get log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a. For 2. Prove that integral of dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by twice a log of a plus modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Here, integrand can be written as 1 by twice a times of a plus x plus a minus x whole divided by a plus x times of a minus x dx. And mathaki a plus x asida makagi din production yelabadi we get 1 by a minus x plus a minus x tamakagi production yelabadi we get 1 by a plus x. Now mathak asi makagi derivative oida mathak si minus 1 minus of minus 1 hani ibi yai aduna masigi integral di minus log of modulus of a minus x si mathak si makagi derivative oirabanina mark integral the log of modulus of a plus x. Assume the log की property पालबदी मसी log of modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c है ना थंगवनी. Hence proof. For 3. Prove that integral of dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Then the given integral can be written as put x equal to a tan theta, whose derivative with respect to theta is x the theta na lorobadi dx by d theta, and a tan theta the a sec square theta d by dx by d theta the d theta da sumna la a asumna mataki dx asi a sec square theta d theta na mahu sindokhrani x to bana a tan theta na sindoklabadi x square gi a square tan square theta lairani a square remains unchanged. A square kamal lawthoaga mathaki a ga kakthanarabadi 1 by a do mathakta thangrani makhadari tan square theta plus 1 to the sec square theta ni mathaki sec square theta ga kakthanarabadi integral of d theta mahaki integral d theta phangani with c. Then theta di misidagi khoina solve torabadi theta haibasi tan inverse of x by a gamma plus c. Hence proof. For number 4, prove that integral of the x by root over a square minus x square is sine inverse of x by a plus c. Let us prove. Given integral can be put in the form of this. Put x equal to a sine theta. If you have seen a square minus x square, we have to put x equal to a sine theta or a cos theta. Put x equal to a sine theta whose derivative with respect to theta gives dx equal to a cos theta d theta. dx adu a cos theta d theta na sindokro. Root ki manung da lairiba x adu su a sine theta na sindokro. Asumna manung dagi a square dun square root ki wang madu songthora abadi a phange mathakta laribi a ga kakthatna kare. Square root of 1 minus sine square root is square root of cos square ni. Square root 2 ga square root ga kakthatna makhada cos lahore mathakta cos theta ama lari makhada cos theta ama ni du kakthatna robadi integral of the theta phange. Masigi integral the theta plus c oirani. Theta the sine inverse of x by a gamane put c hapsalani asumna proof tore. That integral of the x by root over x square minus a square is equal to log of x plus root over x square minus a square with constant of integration. Let us prove. Put x equal to a sec theta. Differentiating both sides with respect to theta, we get dx by d theta equal to a sec theta tan theta. That gives dx equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta. Denominator dx to magi equivalent value in terms of theta the replace tokre x to a sec theta thamabadi x square gi di a square sec square theta. A square ro common log to si a square sidagi common log to di root ki wama da a orani. Numerator a do ga kakana kre. So na sec square theta minus 1 di tan square theta ni. Tan square theta do na root ki wama da so ni tan theta lere matak to ladi ba tan theta ga kakana kre. Hojik sec theta kaktang hai. Sec ki integral di log of sec theta plus tan theta ni with constant of integration ke added. Then sec theta di putting the x by a gamana kare tan theta di square root of sec square theta minus 1 is sec square di x by a whole square tham krani. Simplify tawrabadi minus log a amasong thorakani. Madugi minus log a aduga c k asega punjalaga constant of integration to c oina putting tawri, while c is equal to k minus log of modulus a gamana hale. Hence proof. For number 6 asisu similar to question number 5. Put x equal to a tan theta x square plus a square urabadi we have to put x equal to a tan theta. Mataki 5 siga manana khotpa ngamani. Number 7. Find the integral of the type integral of the x by a quadratic expression. Express the quadratic expression do a common log thoga aikoina asumna thamasi x yawa tamani do perfect square manung changhalasi. Put x plus b by twice a to y so that dx equal to dy and write c by a minus b square by 4a square equal to plus minus k square. Haribashi number c perfect square organa number amagi square thamo perfect square oidraba root over of a number square thamo. Reduce the equation to the form. Asuna mataki substitution asina mataki quadratic expression asi putting tawraba matungda mataki equation asi sum standard form the reduce tawrani. Standard form sida use integrand of the x by x square plus a square c 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, or integral of the x by x square minus a square equal to 1 by twice a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Ani sigi manung digi sana ba makhalaga sizinarani. Number 5. Find integral of the type integral of the x by square root of a quadratic expression. Express quadratic expression do a common log thokraga x yawa tamani do perfect square manung da sankro asumna thamasi. Put x plus b by twice a equal to y so that x na derivative y na derivative lawrabadi dx equal to dy and write masigi expression asi plus minus k square hena thamasi. Reduce the equation to the form mathaki equation asi sigi form asi da thamani. Use 1 by d integral of the x by root over x square plus a square equal to log of x plus root over x square plus a square, or integral of the x by root over x square minus a square equal to log of x plus square root of x square minus a square with constant of integration. Ani sige manung dagi saraba ama sijinaraga integral putokan. 9. Find the integral of the type linear by quadratic. Integral of the linear by quadratic. How to solve? How to find its integrand? Find a and b from px plus q. Linear equation, linear function equal to a times derivative of denominator plus b. Si late tawraba matungda a amasung b solve tawgani. Sige form selection laga. Equate coefficients of x and the constant terms. Equate tawraba matungda akoina ab yawa equation phangani. Apply the non standard form. Madugi matungdagidi standard form akoina sizinarani. Find the integral of the type linear by square root of a quadratic dx. Masina karamna integral putokadagi. Find a and b from px plus q equal to a times derivative of denominator plus b. Denominator the root yaudabaduni plus b. Sidagi a amasu b putokani form as the lokchilaba matungda. Equate coefficients of x and the constant term. Anido aikoina equate tawrani. x की coefficient equate tawraba constant term si equate tawraba aduga a amasung b yawa equation ani phangani madudagi a b solve tawrani madugi matungda apply the non standard form palani. Exercise 7.4. Integrate the function in exercise 1 to 23.1. Sigi integrate putu haibani. Makagi x power 6x cube whole square haina thamani mahaki derivative x cube derivative 3x square. Hauji icon standard putting toroni x cube asi y da putting toro x na derivative loro the thrice x square dy by dx tagi dx thame aduna mathak se completely dy ga mana kare makha the x cube y thamadi y square plus 1. Sidi pura puri standard integral ore mahaki integral the 10 inverse of y. Integration है मांग मम्मी कुप्ता प्लस सी constant integration हाफसल ने हुजिक y की value original value पिछले law x के पिछले law सुमना रोमान number 1 की integral लसी integral पुतो इन्हें. For question number 2, we have to put 4x as twice x whole square है ना थमे twice x मसीदी आइकोइना standard integral अमा पाले twice x as linear और बनी ने 2 ने divide और ने log of twice x plus root over 1 plus twice x whole square plus sida mahaki integral sida x की coefficient 2 ने divide torani. Simplify torabadi we get this. For question number 3 की damakta di 2 minus x asi y da putting toro dx equal to minus dy ore adu di dx की value da minus dy sindo cross minus mamang na sakra se lemori ba 1 by of dy divided by root over y square plus 1 mark standard integral or c phangani log of modulus of y plus root over y square plus 1 plus c phangi y की original value पिछल लसी that is 2 minus x पिछल और सीधे पिछल लसी असुमने integral पुथोक ले. सुमने question number 4 की सु standard integral मसी सु rewrite over y 25 से कमल लग थो cross bracket की कम square root के वांग मुझे सोंग थोड़ी 1 by 5 कमल लग थो करे 9 by 25 to the 3 by 5 whole square and EBR must standard integral ama panjalani 1 by 5 tilengna lero sin inverse of x by 3 by 5 or a plus c. Question number 3. Integral sig integral putuarity 2 minus x asibo y da putting tore dx becomes minus dy. Assume na dx asigi value minus dy ore minus log thokrasi lemori dot dy root over y square plus 1 y plus root over y square plus 1 plus c ore y की original value पिछले से y की original 2 minus x पिछले सुमना integral पुतोअनी. Number 4 मसीसु 25 से कमल x square की coefficient minus 1 ताना ना बकोना 25 कमल लग थोक्रसी मधु की दमक 1 by 5 ममांग ना थंगा 9 by 25 to the 3 by 5 whole square and ire masi standard integral ore that is sin inverse of x by a ge formula ro panjelo we get this masi amuk simplest form la thamabadi 1 by 5 into sin inverse of 5x by 3 plus c phang integral putole number 5 assist integral putok se masi karam integral masi integral putok kada ge haira gadi 2 kamal log tho aba 2 se kamal log tho adi x power 4 x square whole square hani ibi yare 2 matak twice x tham karo x square ki derivative na tana na ba Logic x square y da putting tawrasi ma ki derivative twice x dx equal to dy leirani asumna 3 by 2 leire adu de hoji kari leiranga da ge haraga twice y masidigi amuk 2 kamal log tho kar de 2 kamal 1 by 2 lehore wa half to gi di kana gi square no 1 by root 2 gi square ne pura standard in pare cd 1 by 8 10 inverse of x by a ge formula ro palo we get this simplify to over the 3 root 2 by 4 10 inverse of root 2 x square y की value तो पिछन भगवानी root 2 ना मांग रखा रख भगवानी plus c number 6 integral पुथोक्सी x cube whole square है ने इरो x power 6 to x cube to derivative लोग से x cube to y दा putting तो से x square dx 1 by 3 dy का मान रे assume ने सीधी 1 minus y square ds की x square ds की value dy 1 by 3 dy नी 1 by 3 में मांग रखा करो 1 in dy by 1 minus y square 1 by 2y से log of a plus y by 1 minus y भांगने y original value पिछला बदी x के पिछला बदी we get this number 7 integral putoksi number 7 integral putoktare huji koina x ta root over na makha ni yen bagi integral ama 1 da makha gi denominator ni yen bagi integral ama ma ahan bagi cd x square minus 1 y square the putting down in the first integral that gives x dx y dy ga lastly manare sun x dx to y dy lere sigidi y square gidi y chongthorani sigidi standard form ni length thamani sigidi kaya lere y lere dy integral dy ni sigidi log of x plus root over of x square minus 1 plus c phangani y gi value pisilo root over of x square minus 1 phanga sumna sabeng integral puthokle number 8 diriba c x cube to putting to tare x cube hane iro assume x cube to koina y da putting to rabade thrice x square dx equal to dy thrice tarakani khangbade gi 3 puri bani 1 by 3 ne balance tore assume na sigidi si thamjarani sidi pura puri standard integral pare log of y plus root over y square plus a square the a cube whole square ni plus c y original value pisilo that is x cube pisilo adu si phange sumna question number I ki integral putoli standard integral ngakani policy number 9 masisu amuk koina 10x asi y da putting toro 10x ki derivative sec square x ne dy by dx ta ki dx lore sec square x dx to dy na sindok khare 10x to y da putting toro dy square plus 42 square sisu pura puri standard integral pare log of modulus of y plus root over y square plus 2 square plus c y go is then value 10x pisil law sumna 9 integral puthokle number 10 sisu quadratic ni x yaw ba tamani si perfect square manung changal si we get this masisu standard integral pare log of x plus 1 plus root over of x plus 1 square plus 1 square the simplest form that's from the ire number 11 quadratic 1 by quadratic is quadratic asidagi koina perfect square same si x yaw ba tamani si perfect square same plus 2 square standard form ma pare asumna mark sisu koina policy x thrice x plus 1 is linear ni aduna huji koina 1 by a 10 inverse of x by a ge formula pale aduga x ki coefficient 3 suna amuktang ga divide torongmani madugi integral do da we get this machine integral ore puthokada ba integral do number 12 sisu quadratic ni 1 by root over quadratic ni x yaw tamani si perfect square manung changhangro aduna 4 square ge khaido ge balance tore masi sin inverse x by a ge formula pale that x is what x plus 3 a di kaya now 4 so integral put number 13 sisu quadratic ni pyramid form se quadratic characterize toro expand toro we get quadratic as x याव तामनी से परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मनू संग करो माइनस हाफ स्क्वायर ने बैलेंस तौरे सिसु पूरा पूरी स्टैंडर्ड और log of x minus 3 by 2 plus root over of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus half square plus c. Simplify to over the we get this. Number 14. Sisu quadratic ni 1 by root over quadratic ni x yauri batama ni si perfect square manung sangal le constant amagi square regi madu khai to a balance story. Sisu pura puri sin inverse ki formula pale sin inverse x by a ki formula palaga we get the integrand. Then simplify to the si phangani. Number 15. Sisu quadratic ni quadratic ani si puri naro we get a quadratic 1 by root over of a quadratic ni x over tamani se perfect square manung sangale number khara khaido khaijin tonore si simplify to the si phange si standard integral ni log of x minus a plus b by 2 plus root over x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square plus simplify to the si phangani. Number 16. Linear by square root of a quadratic. The denominator is completely y square putting to the derivative 4x plus 1 pange dy by dx plus y square the twice y dy by dx ni. So the matak say twice y dy ni sindokro makasi square root of y square that is y do ka sifto y lere 2 chongtokro dy integral dy pange. The y goes name the square root of this number, square root of this and quadratic, or we get this. Number 17. Linear by sisu quadratic ni. The x ta makagi denominator na yen bagi in the integrand ani thonga thuare si standard or si standard or the se ko namo putting to si x square minus 1 so y square putting to over the x dx na y dy ga mana kare. So now x dx ki the y dy sindo ko si the y square root of y square ni kakhana rabadi dy lere dy integral dy lere si ki the 2 times log of x plus root over x square minus 1 square plus c formula palaga si phange y goes name value pisilo y goes name value pisilo be si phange. So the 17 integral putai. Number 18. Linear by quadratic ni mathaki function asi a times d by dx of denominator plus b. The derivative 2 plus 6x later equating to s ki coefficient ga the constant tangwa s ki coefficient equating to over this later s ki coefficient equating to over this 6 later constant term si minus 2 si constant term twice a plus b equating to a ahan equation de a ki value phange madu ani subi equation de sinjelaga b ki value su phange a amasum b phange. When the given integrand ISC can be written as see the a value the minus 5 by 6 pisalaga b value the minus 11 by 3 pisalaga assume integrand asi assume express tore housing divide over the ahan basi the sini yen bagi integrand ama minus 11 by 3 the sini yen bagi integrand ama ani thona thuare ahan bagi sidi integral putok pa yare housing tim ani subagi quadratic asidi factorize to mathok tari. I will 3 comma log 3 comma 3 comma log we get this. Amok masigi di matak to makagi derivative or of log of modulus of denominator tare 11 by 9 lere sigi x of tamani se perfect square ke manu le plus root 2 by 3 whole square ke balance story. Which is standard integral or sigi di 1 by a 10 inverse of x by a ke formula palaga we get this. Simplify to over the integral of the siwara. Number 19. Sisu hazuki do chap mane makagi linear and isi purinero quadratic tare numerator equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b whose derivative is this. Equating coefficients of x we get twice equal to 6 and equating coefficients of constant term on both sides we get this. Ahan badagi a ki value 3 phange madu ani subi question de sinjalaga b ki value 34 phange. Therefore, given integrand can be written as a da equinotry pisilo b da 34 pisilo sun ibiyare basi integral ani thona thugaire ahan bagi asidi integral ahan bagi asidi integrable ore ani subagi asidi kona quadratic ase x yawa tamani se perfect square manung sangani minus half square na balance to kare. sidi akona dom putting tawdra su ai si putting tawre y square da putting tawre derivative sile substitute tawre ma ki di y lerani integral the dy gi integral di y lerani 34 lere sisu standard integral ma pare log of x plus root over x square minus a square formula pare y gi value pisila y gi value discard tawra lore si gi value simplify tawra si phange hence find out. Question number 20. Sisu linear by quadratic ne adu orabade mathak ki function ase a times the derivative of makha ki function plus b derivative of this equating to x ki coefficient equating to si phange constant term ani equating to si phange ahan badagi a ki value minus half lere b ki value na a ki ani suba equation de a ki value pisulaga b ki value solve to the 4 phange asumna given integral ase sumna a की वैल्यू पिछला b की वैल्यू पिछला फॉर्म फॉर्म द इथो a मसी इंटीग्रल अनि थोंना थुगाइरे अहान बगी असिदी यारे अनि सुबगी असिद अहान बगी दी 4x minus x square bu y square putting toroga कोसी फंगे सुना कंप्लीटली वेरिएबल y द चेंज तोगरे सिगी दमकता दी x यावरे तामानि से पार्फे स्क्वायर मनुंग चंगल रीराइट तोरे सिदी के तारे y तारानि 2 कथना करो इंटीग्रल ऑफ dy dy लेरे 4 ले जरे सिजु sin inverse of x by a के फॉर्मूला रो पाले we get this the y की value पिछला y की value square root of this ni we get the answer 21 sisu chapma nei linear by square root of quadratic ni numerator equal to a times derivative of denominator plus b derivative to theory equating to the coefficient of x and the constant term we get equation ni phange ahan badagi a की value half phange ani subada sinjaladi b की value so 1 phange. Therefore, given integral I can be written as this. Masibu amu definite integral ani thona thugare. Ahan bagi sidi putting toraga yare ani subagi sidi amu kona perfect square seme x yaru batam ani si perfect square seme standard result phange. Sigi na si phangani sigi na si lerani sigi integral de y lere sigi pura puri sigi standard result se phange. Y ki bilu pisel si square root log se le sigi integral puto lore. 22 linear by quadratic root yaudre sidi asumna rewrite to a mathaki function ase makha ki derivative adu mathak direct iraba aduga madu plus some number ka half to option toraga half na position laga balance tore se ani thona thugare twice x minus 2 da aman makha na yembagi integral aba I te makha na yembagi integral ama asumna masi ki di maha ki mathak to makha ki derivative log of denominator ka manare modulus plus chizu x यार तामने जो perfect square चंग करे सी पूरा पूरी 1 by 2 I से log of x minus a by x plus a के फॉर्मूला पालागा we get this. Let us simplify तोरोगा दिसी फंगे मशीन इंटीग्रल लेदन 23 सिस इंटीग्रल ने स्टैंडर्ड रीजन मामांग ना माना बखो करे माखा मथा की फंक्शन इक्वल टू a times derivative of माखा की फंक्शन plus b सुमने इक्वेशन आनी से इक्वेटिंग तोरो x की कोएफिशिएंट इक्वेट तोरोगा twice a का 5 का माना रे कांस्टेंट टर्म सिंग इक्वेट तोरो बडी 4a plus b दुना सोंगी 3c का माना रे अहान बदेगी a की वैल्यू 5 by 2 फंगे अनि सुबदेगी b की वैल्यू पुतोसी अदुदी b की वैल्यू -7 फंगे असुमने गिवन इंटीग्रल से a अमस b की वैल्यू पिछलागा असुमने इरे मसी डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल अनि तोंगना थुगाइरे अहान बगी असिना x square plus 4x plus 10 asibu y square putting toraga ri aren very independent variable sense tore ani subudi quadratic x over tamani si quadratic perfect square semjele adana si gi 5y line -7 ji standard result si phange si di x plus root log of modulus of x plus root over x square plus a square formula palaga we get this y gi value pisel si y gi value pisel we get this sin integral put. Choose the correct answer in exercise 24 and 25. Sigi integral sigi correct answer PO haibani x yaru tamani si perfect square manung changal lagdi masidi pura puri 10 inverse of x plus 1 lare plus c masidi mayam sigi manung dige karam baga chana ragadage hairagadi answer B tare. For 25 ki sumasi x yaru tamani si perfect square gi manung changan si perfect square manung changal le अरे माइनस कम लॉग तो ए मथंगदा परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मनुंग चंगल मतुंगदा 9 by 4 हिंजिंग के बदु सुम खाइदोखि बदु सुम प्लस तोक्सेले मसिगी sin inverse x by a के फॉर्मूला पालो sin inverse x by a के फॉर्मूला पालो मतुंग द x के कोएफिशिएंट 2 न मुक्तंग डिवाइड करो we get this मसिगी सिंपलीफाई तो द कनागा चानारे 1 by 2 दी असुम ने येंगो मतंग द आंसर मस करेक्ट आंसर जी बी ओरे